Hey garden friends! Today, let's chat about the awesome purple passion plant. Briefly, they thrive in bright, indirect light, with morning sun being okay, but they need afternoon shade, especially in warmer climates. Keep the soil consistently moist, avoid drought, and good news, they're non-toxic. Now, onto the plant details. Purple passion plants, or purple velvet plants, are fantastic houseplants. They boast beautiful purple hairs covering the foliage, giving a multi-chrome effect of purple and green. As they mature, the foliage opens up, revealing a green metallic undertone. There's even a variegated variety for those who love a little extra flair. These plants are popular as they adapt well to typical home conditions. Native to Southeast Asia, they enjoy temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So, if you're into stylish, low-maintenance houseplants, the purple passion plant is a great choice. In my grow space, temperatures range from 60 to 86, occasionally hitting 88. Ideally, I maintain it between 82 to 84, but occasional warmth doesn't harm the purple passion plant. However, extreme heat, typical in southern Florida or the U.S. Southwest, isn't their preference. Coastal areas might be exceptions. Their sweet spot is 60 to 75 degrees, and caution is needed when temperatures dip lower. I water when the soil surface dries out, ensuring water reaches the pot's bottom, repeating the process twice or thrice to eliminate air bubbles. Consistent moisture aids root growth, and a moisture-attentive soil suits them. Though they tolerate brief dry spells, it's not ideal. I've intentionally let it dry out a bit for video purposes, showcasing the plant's resilience. It can recover from extreme dryness, though it's not recommended. The yellowing on this foliage isn't due to rot, but resulted from the plant drying out too much. Browning indicates low humidity or missed watering. While some leaves are slightly folded or cupped, the plant is resilient and bounced back after a thorough drink. Under higher light, the foliage remains small and firm, enhancing the intensity of the purple color. Passion plants exhibit a unique growth pattern, starting upright and then cascading as they grow taller, typically transitioning into a trailing habit between 1 to 4 feet, beginning around 1.5 feet in height. Purple passion plants are not too picky about their soil, but prefer a basic potting mix with added organics. They thrive with consistent moisture and appreciate higher humidity levels. However, misting foliage isn't recommended. Instead, maintain moisture around the plant using methods like trays with pebbles. For fertilizer, a standard, all-purpose type is sufficient during the growing season, applied bi-weekly. In winter, a quarter-strength fertilizer is suitable. Care should be taken not to over-fertilize, considering the delicate roots. Delicate stems can snap easily, so repotting should be done cautiously to avoid damaging the roots. The plant may show signs of stress, like yellowing or browning, due to underwatering or low humidity. Regular observation and adjustment of watering frequency are essential. Purple passion plants are susceptible to pests such as mealybugs, scale, and spider mites. Keep an eye out for these common pests and address them promptly. Regarding flowering, the plant produces stinky flowers, and it's advisable to remove flower buds to maintain a bushy appearance and avoid the unpleasant odor. Propagation is easy. Cuttings readily root in soil or water. Trim excess foliage, use rooting hormone if desired, and replant in consistently moist soil or water until roots develop. When propagating purple passion plants, ensure the cuttings are well hydrated, and avoid keeping them outside of soil or water for an extended period. Submerging the cutting in water while making the cut can prevent air bubbles. These plants are robust, and I've never lost cuttings. Hydration is crucial to prevent air pockets in the stems, which could hinder water absorption and lead to the plant's demise. Purple passion plants root easily, similar to coleus. As they grow, cascading over the soil, nodes meeting leaves in contact with moist soil will root and give rise to new plants. Making cuts along these areas can result in a quick and aggressive spread. If growing in an area where containment is necessary, caution is advised, as they can fill in space rapidly. Purple passion plants are known for their relatively short lifespan, typically around 4 to 6 years. Regular pruning of flowers may extend their life. However, some individuals claim to have kept them for longer periods. If you have experience with these plants for more than 4 to 5 years, share your insights in the comments, as information on this matter is varied and scattered. As your purple passion plant ages, you'll notice a change in the foliage. It becomes dull and loses its luster. The vibrant, metallic green shifting color diminishes as the plant matures. This is a natural process, and there's nothing wrong. The foliage tends to become larger and more open, displaying more greens than purple over time. To maintain optimal color, move the plant to a well-lit area, ensuring it's not in direct sunlight to avoid burning. More light will intensify the color. To extend the plant's life, it's advisable to take cuttings every couple of years and keep them propagating. This practice ensures a continuous supply of fresh baby plants, compensating for the aging portions that may start to decline. For those in regions where outdoor cultivation is possible, placing purple passion plants in hanging baskets is a fantastic idea. Their cascading and crawling habit creates a striking contrast with other plants, making them an excellent choice for adding color, texture, and contrast to your garden or outdoor space. I'd love to hear about your experiences with the purple passion plant. Share your insights, tips, tricks, or any suggestions you may have in the comments below. Engaging in discussions is a fantastic way for us to learn and grow together as a community of plant enthusiasts. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It significantly supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos. I genuinely hope everyone is having a wonderful day and enjoying a great life. Maintaining a moderate vocal range is still a priority, so thank you for understanding. Most importantly, let's all keep on growing together.